Hello friends, today we are going to see first technique to simplify Boolean equation. So our first technique to simplify Boolean equation is your algebraic method. So this is what a method which is used for simplifying the Boolean equation. So in this method we are using Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems to simplify the Boolean equation, right? So the basic requirement for simplifying the Boolean equation using algebraic method is that here Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. So actually I had already explained what are Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems in previous lecture. You can refer that lecture for Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. So it will be clear what are the Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems, right? And that Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems will be useful for simplifying the equation using algebraic method, right? So for example, if I want to convert any equation into a simplified form by using algebraic method, so we have to follow steps to simplify the equation. So step 1 is that equation may be in any of the form. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to bring the given equation or expression into SOP form. So for converting this given equation into SOP form, we have to use Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. So the output of the step 1 is that whatever the equation which we had provided, that will be converted into SOP form, and for converting that equation into SOP form, we had used here Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. Right, now our equation is in SOP form. Now we have to simplify the equation. So second step is what? Simplify the SOP expression by checking the product terms of common factors, right? So output of step 1 is that we had got here the equation in SOP form, and now in step 2 we have to simplify that SOP expression, which is the output of step 1, right? And how we are going to simplify? We can take the common factors from the product terms. Actually your SOP equation consists of what? Sum of product terms, right? So from that common product terms, we have to see that any literals are common in the multiple terms, then that we can take that literals common from that product terms, and like that we can reduce the equation or minimize the equation. So these are the two steps which we have to perform for just simplifying the Boolean equation using algebraic method. So we'll take an example here and you will come to know how we had simplified. Y equal to AB plus A plus B, A bar plus B. Here you can see that this is the equation. This equation is neither in the SOP form nor in the POS form. Since you can see that these are what? Terms. So this is what? Product term, this is sum term, this is sum term, right? So this is not in SOP form, neither in POS form. So now for just simplifying this equation, what we have to do? We have to follow these two steps. So I will just do first step 1, right? I'll convert this equation into SOP form. So how to convert this equation into SOP form. I'll keep this first product term as it is, plus now you can see that these are the two sum terms, so I can just solve these two terms, right? I'll multiply this bracket to this bracket, right? So how I will, what are the equation I will get? I will multiply A for A bar plus B, right? So I will get A bar plus AB plus, now I will multiply B to this bracket, so I will get A bar B plus BB. So this is what these two terms, these two sum terms I had simplified here, right? Now you can see that if I can write this equation like this. Right, now you can see that this is a equation in the SOP form, right? These are what product terms, and these product terms are summed together, so this equation is called as SOP form. Now step 2, I have to search for common factors. And simplify it. So now what I'll do, y equal to, I'll just write the common factors, right? So you can see that AB plus AB, these are the two product terms, so I'll just write these two product terms adjacent to each other, plus now A bar plus A bar B plus BB, right? According to Boolean law, A plus A equal to A. Now here you can see that AB plus AB, that means it will be single AB, right? Plus, now next Boolean law is for A dot A bar equal to 0 and BB equal to 0, right? So these are what Boolean laws which we have to apply to simplify this equation. So here I had applied this law, A plus A equal to A, that means AB plus AB equal to single AB, right? Plus for A bar it is 0, so I will not write 0 here, right? Then next is what here, A bar B, right? A bar B, it will be written as it is, plus now BB means single B, right? So B dot B means single B, right? So this is the equation I had got by substituting this Boolean laws, right? Now next is what, I'll again see that I can take anything common from this, right? So you can see that AB and B, right? So I will take B as common from these two terms, right? Plus A bar B, I'll write as it is, right? Now one more Boolean law we have to apply, A plus 1 equal to 1, right? As per Boolean law, A plus 1 equal to 1, so it will be written as single B plus A bar B, right? Now again you can see that B is common in this, right? So I'll just take B as common, 1 plus A bar, right? So here again, as per Boolean law, 1 plus A bar equal to 1, right? So I can just simplify this equation and I'll get B, right? So this is the equation which I got after simplifying this equation using algebraic method. So here I had used lots of Boolean laws to simplify this equation, right? So here you can see that here 3 laws, this is 4th and this is 5th Boolean law I had used to simplify this equation. So that is what your algebraic method.